Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 58 Fairlane Retractable. Yep, it's a hardtop, and the top goes back in the trunk. And look at this. Grand prize first place winner in 1989. You know what that tells me? That tells me that this was a quality build. For this car to look this good since 1989, you know they did some quality work putting this car together. Especially being black, it is slick as can be. 352 under the hood, black and red, beautiful chrome, stainless, everything is gorgeous. You can see they went to the trouble of putting plastic on the seats. Isn't that slick? Look at all the stainless and chrome on the dash, the paintwork on the dash, everything on this car is phenomenal. She is a beauty. We've got seat belts in the front and in the rear. Now you can check out pictures of the car with the top up, the top down. When we get her outside, we'll run the top up and down for you so you can see that going up and down. She is drop dead gorgeous, guys. I'll tell you what, when you take this baby to a car show anywhere, you're gonna have to make up a schedule so you can have people come out and watch you put the top up and down. Now I suggest that you have the car running when you put that top up and down. Those tail lights are looking sweet in this car, and it's got the Continental kit on here looking great. All this chrome looking sweet. All the reflections. Look at this thing. She is beautiful. Look down the side of this car. Look how straight it is. Now, the previous owner owned this car for over 30 years, and RM Restorations up in Canada, before they were an auction company, did the restoration on this car. They are one of the premier auction companies today, and they are the premier restoration company. Man, those guys really know what they're doing. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this 58. Now, we bring in anywhere between 40 and 50 cars every month, so we've always got new stuff coming in. And I've got about 35 years in the business, and I'm in charge of picking out every one of the cars here at Vanguard. So I'm gonna put those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, we're gonna show you how this retractable works. I got a special place in my heart for these cars. I actually own a 57 Ford myself that was my dad's that he restored. Of course, it's not a retractable, so like I said, I love these cars. Watch this. I mean, this is, talk about a feat of engineering. This thing is amazing. Now you always want to make sure you've got the car running when you run this up and down. It needs that extra juice from the alternator to be able to run all this mechanics up and down. You've got all kinds of screws and cylinders and motors and all kinds of stuff going on here with this top going up and down like this. I think I've said it earlier in the videos. When you take this to a car show, you're gonna have to create a schedule because everybody in the place is gonna want to see this top go up and down. Isn't that neat? See how quick that is? You wanna talk about slick? Is that slick? This thing is sweet, guys. We're gonna go out and drive it here in a minute. All right, let's take the 58 for a ride. You want to talk about a parade car? Now this is a parade car. This is a go get ice cream car. This is go to the beach car. This is a go to the car show car, win an award. This is you can do anything in this car, man. Take it anywhere and do anything with it and have a blast. I'll tell you what, if you head out to the car show, you better have some time, because you're going to be talking to everyone at the car show about this thing, because you want to talk about rare. I mean, most people on the planet have never even seen one of these cars, especially one done to this level. Like I said earlier, this thing has been in beautiful shape its entire life, and then it was treated to probably one of the best restorations I've ever seen. The car is amazing. We got this semi truck here just poking around here, taking his sweet time. We may just have to pass him in this old 58. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain to you how easy that process is. Now this guy is just going too slow for me, and we're gonna have to go around him. Get that little 352 a workout here. Just cruise right down the boulevard in this baby. Also, we can help you out with financing if you need that. It's a real quick phone call to the banker. And Tom and the banker will take care of all the paperwork for you. You won't have to do a thing, but make that phone call. Now look down here on the dash. We've got the fuel gauge working, it looks like. The speedo's working. And look real close right here at the power steering. It says Master Guide Power Steering. Those guys are so funny. It's got all the stock radio and everything in it. Even the clock's going round and round. I would not count on it to keep a perfect time, but it is going round and round. Even the horn's working, guys. This thing is sweet. We run that top up and down. She is amazing. Now, the passenger side rear or side view mirror there is missing. When the guys are washing the car, it fell out and broke. So we do have one of those on order, so don't you worry. When we park this Dream in your drive, it will have a brand new mirror over there for you. And we are headed back to the shop where we're gonna put this thing up in the air. We're gonna show you just how beautiful the underside is. Now, we're real close to the airport, and we invite you to come out and check this car out in person or send out an inspector, whatever you'd like. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We're real close to the airport, so if you'd like to fly out, we're only 20 minutes away. If you'd like to drive out on a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock on Saturdays. No problem whatsoever. Just give us a buzz, let us know you're coming. So stick with us. We're gonna put this beauty up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 58 now, and it may be the nicest 58 retractable on the planet. You can see the Continental kit. It's looking like it's brand new, man. It is beautiful. You see these exhaust tips, man, these are really cool. It just houses the exhaust pipe. No exhaust actually comes out of here. The exhaust actually comes out behind it. That's kind of cool. Now you can see, look at all these pinch welds here, and look how nice and clean all this is. This is all original metal, guys. Look at these pinch welds up here. Look at the frame. Look how nice and clean everything is. I don't think I've ever seen a 58 Ford done up this nice or in this beautiful of condition. Now in the rear end housing, right around a 275 gear, and it is an open rear end. New brake lines, of course, and my boys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. The exhaust is in good shape. Now the frame on this car, man, they really went all out on these frames. Look at this thing. This is I-beam material, guys. This is the stuff they build bridges out of. They build these things to last. This thing, it's got an X-frame in it, and this thing, like I said, they hold up a bridge with this thing. The floorboards look to be original. All the bracing also looks to be original. Everything's beautiful. Backside of the rocker's nice and clean. The pinch weld looks original. Bottom side of the rocker also looks original and looks sweet. All this heat shielding, it looks original. It looks sweet. All the floor stiffeners and braces, they look good. The automatic transmission, it looks to be date code correct, but we cannot tell whether or not this is the original trans or not. It's got power steering. Drum brakes up front, and again, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see everything up here is cleaned up. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. Even the bottom side of the front valance extension's been painted up. Bottom side of the motor's nicely painted. Everything on this car has been done up. You can even see the insides of the wheelhouses here have been painted up and cleaned up, looking sweet. Original hubcaps here. Now these hubcaps look like not only are they original, they don't even look like they've been restored. I mean, those are some sweet looking hubcaps back from 1958. Them babies are 4 years older than me. We do have wide whites here, and these are bias ply tires. These are 8-inch by 14s. You can see the front fenders right down to the bottom edge looking sweet. The rocker looking good. Bottom side of the rocker looking good. Looks like we got fuel line and brake line running along here. I do see some new body mounts here too. The fender skirts, those are very cool. They got a couple of turn bolts here. That's what holds them on. Again, this hubcap in the back looks to be original, never been restored. That is very cool in my book. Well, let's lower this thing down and take a look at the 352 under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 352. This is an FE motor, guys. This is the start of the FEs. It's the Interceptor motor, man. What a cool setup in here. You can see it's highly restored under here too. It's got the original style battery under here, power steering. It does have manual brakes. The inner wheelhouses are all painted up nice. The firewall's painted up nice. It's got the Autolite carburetor on it. It's got the correct intake, the correct heads, the correct radiator. Everything's nice and clean. We got nice and clean wiring. All the hoses are nice and clean. The bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. I mean, this is an amazing piece. She's a little piece of history here. The car was very well kept since 1958. Then it had an immaculate restoration. The car is a piece of history. Let's add it to your collection. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.